Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I have something very different from Chic Sparrow. I know you guys are used to seeing me do unboxings, and come November, that is going to slow down quite a bit. I still have one more box coming from Chic Sparrow for the month of November so far, but other than that, let us hope. Let us hope there will be less unboxings. So, this is something a little different. It's not a bag. This is 2 pounds of remnant leather. And I have not seen anybody unbox a box of remnant leather. So, they occasionally have boxes of leather. It's $9 a pound, and they're in pieces or whatever. I have no idea what to expect, but I've been wanting to do some leather projects, so I decided when it came up that they had it, I was like, oh yeah, we're getting that. So I got two pounds of it. So I guess they just put it all in there. Yep. So woohoo. Yay. Well, I don't know I'm not gonna undo that portion of it. Oh, yay. Woohoo. Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay. Let's just let you look at that. Oh, dropped a piece of all of that. All of that goodness. So that's 2 pounds of leather. And for $9, so $18, I'm betting there's quite a bit of leather that I have not seen. So it says, I understand my leather will have unique variations. I understand I cannot return or exchange this item. And it's just under remnant leather. And what sticker did I get? Did I get a sticker? Ooh. Oh, cute! Yay, pumpkins! Yay, they still sent one. That makes me happy. Okay. I don't know what I did with my other one, but we'll put that in there. Okay. Well, let's just see if we can go through this. Let's see if Amy can identify the leather. I can tell you right now, this is the Blue Jay. This is the leather that I don't really particularly like. And it's very, I don't know, it has a weird feel to it, and the back of it is just, I don't know, it feels strange to me. But, there you go. This is a creme, a piece of creme. This is a piece of Waypoint, and it looks like it is the rustic brown. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. More of the light and the dark of the Blue Jay, or Mockingbird. Mockingbird Blue Jay. Anyway, of those. These, I just don't like the way it feels. So, we're going to do 2 little separate piles. Okay, so a lot of the blue. We don't like that. This is another piece of creme, or actually no, this could be the yeah, this is the rich caramel Waypoint. This is the other another Mockingbird cover. It's the gray, and I can't remember the name. You can tell which ones I really like. But these are actually really cool pieces, and they would make really good pockets on something. So, there you go. Oh my goodness. Okay, that has got to be, I bet this is Claire. Oh my goodness. That is a beautiful piece, and that would make a beautiful pocket. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, this stack of leather. Oh, and of course there's Tyr. He's up here going, hey mama. Hello, beautiful boy. Oh, oof. Now this is either the Outlander green, or I don't think this is the tea house. I think this is the Highlander, or the Outland green. So that one's beautiful. Oh, love that. Oh, goodness, look. Okay, this is the Prince. That is gorgeous. Maybe might have to get something in that eventually. But that is beautiful. Look at that. That is an amazing piece. Oh, quite a few pieces of the Prince. Love that. And I don't know. This one may be the Earl Grey. I'm betting this is the Earl Grey. That is gorgeous. So, oh, yay! I got a piece of the orange. So this one is the Wickham. I can tell you that. It is not quite the coral of Daphne or Lady Catherine. This is the Wickham. Oh, I'm so glad I got a piece of the Wickham. Yay! That makes me happy. This is another piece of the green, which is the Highland green still, I think. Yeah, that's got to be the Highland green with the pull-up, the Outlander leather. Because it's too woods green, or it's too dark green to be the emerald, or to be the matcha. So, oh my God, look at that. That is the black, the vintage black waypoint. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that there. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Such beautiful pieces of leather. Another piece of the waypoint. Oh, and a clip mark. Yay! Oh, I would love that to be a pocket. Oh, I need a leather sewing machine. Oh, a piece of Pemberley. Yay! This is the red Pemberley. Poppy. This is the poppy. So I love that. Oh, and I got another piece of the poppy. That's a beautiful piece as well. Oh my God. These are such usable pieces. Oh! Okay. All right. I may have just... Ugh! This is the open road. Dang it. I have convinced myself I didn't want the open road because I'm like, it's probably not pretty up in person. Oh my God, look at that neutral. Look at that neutral. That is gorgeous. Oh, yay. And this is the Starry Night. Oh my goodness. Dang it. Why? Why are they doing this to me? Oh. All right, so the Starry Night and the open road. Oh my goodness. That open road is... I hated the pictures of them. I thought the open road, the actual pictures of the open road, they just did nothing for me. But seeing it in person, holy cannoli, it's beautiful. Look at all the different striations and everything in that. And then the blue in the Starry Night. And that's that pebbling. Now the Starry Night seems to be a lot thinner than the open road. So, and it's got a different mossing on the back. So this feels more like just the natural leather. And then this feels a little bit more like a mossing to it. And then another piece of the green. Oh! Yay! I got a piece of Maverick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got a piece of Maverick. Oh. This is beautiful. Look at the lightning strikes in that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh. And I'm assuming that this is another piece of... I don't know. It might actually be the... it might be Quiet Tan. Or it might be Rustic Brown. I'm not sure. But, I mean, yeah, it's definitely not the the rich caramel. It doesn't have that same mustardy pull up to it. So it's either, I'm betting it is the rustic brown. But that is beautiful. And a huge piece. And that's just a normal wrinkle. It's got the cut here, but that is still such a huge viable piece. Oh my goodness. And then last but not least, it looks like we've got more of the black. This has to be the black waypoint. It's too floppy to be ink or Black Beauty. So it's too thin to be Pemberley too. So it's got to be the rustic or the vintage black. Oh, I'm so excited. There was so much of the waypoint in there. So we've got the black, the brown. I think out of everything, this is the most sacred piece I could possibly imagine, because that Maverick is gorgeous. And you've got green, and I love the Open Road. Oh my goodness, and I didn't think I would. The Starry Night, the Pemberley Poppy, more of the black. See, look at the difference between these pieces of black. I mean, it's all waypoint, but look at the differences in the striations and the belly rolls and everything. Ugh, this would have been my dream, to have something with all of that pebbling on it. Oh my gosh. Oh, and now I will have something as soon as I can figure out how to sew leather and, you know, do that whole thing. So these are my project pieces. More of the green. So we'll put, that would be tier, dropping down and doing that. But even the green and the Outlander there, you have such different striations. And then, of course, my Wickham, which is beautiful. Yeah, but see how the different mossing is in the back? It doesn't feel like it's definitely not like the back of this. So, or the back of a waypoint. So that just feels like suede. And then this has been mossed. And that's a process that they do. But yeah, that is gorgeous. And then this, which it's got to be a tea house, I'm pretty sure. Or it may be Chronos. So that is the other possibility, is that it's Chronos. So, and then 2 pieces of the waypoint. Oh, actually, no, that's waypoint. This is waypoint rich caramel. This is creme brulee. And then this has got to be Claire. It's got to be Claire. Then Prince Fergus, or Prince, not Fergus. Oh, love that. And then the Mockingbird collection, which these will actually probably be test pieces that I do. So I'm glad I got 2 big pieces of the darker blue. I am not a fan of that blue, but these will work great on me testing some things. And then I've got actually I have an entire hide that is this similar weight, but I'm going to try to make a bag out of it. So yeah, I just signed up for the email notifications, and this is £2. And I'm telling you, $18 worth of leather for doing whatever I wanted to with it, with Chic Sparrow leathers that I love. I love this. And again, I'm going to tell you, my favorite freaking piece are 2 pieces. The Open Road and the Maverick. I have no idea what I'll ever do with that Maverick, but I will do something. But it is, I can see how this could absolutely ruin their needles. Whereas, I mean, this, the waypoint, I mean, look at that. Look at the difference in the width and everything, and in how floppy this is, and how obstinate that is. But God, there's nothing like that leather. All right, there you have it. The leather samples from Chic Sparrow, or the leather scraps from Chic Sparrow. Again, they're $9 a box, and they keep replenishing them. There is no guarantee what you're going to get, and they just pile it in. This is 2 pounds worth, so it's $9 a pound, and it is worth every damn penny. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.